Greetings, food fiends and mania munchers alike. Welcome to a video where we dive into one of my reviews on a restaurant, break it down for you a little more, and give you some insight on my memories of the restaurant and what my most recent thoughts are, and if I've been back to the restaurant or not. And then we'll do a rating on the munchie meter. Today's review is on Bailiwick Gastropub, and the dining style of this establishment is casual. Burger? I barely know her. Man, after that horrible pun, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Remember to keep your plate full, but save room for dessert. I'm out. Peace! I got you, huh? Wait, did you actually leave? Oh, that's kind of awkward. Well, anyways, here's a munching moment with myself. Guys and gals, I am really happy at how well this restaurant is doing and how hard the Orleans is working to create a new atmosphere. This was one of my favorite dinners ever in Vegas. Live music, fresh food, and helpful service. Buffalo sliders were really good and the fries were nice and fresh as well. Shirley Temple I had was nice and sweet, and this visit was just phenomenal. Since writing the original review, I have been here once afterwards for my 21st birthday, and it still remains a 5-star. We'll be going back for my next Vegas visit just to try something new. Do yourself a favor and come live in the ambience and live music. So, now we're on to the likes of Bailiwick Gastropub, Las Vegas, Nevada at the Orleans. So the list is as follows: music, establishment design, seating options, unique menu options, and different. So I like the music because it adds a totally different experience to eating a meal. Not only are you going to have a conversation, but you're going to be watching or listening as someone pour their heart out on songs that they like, and it's just a nice additive to the social experience. Everybody gets to vibe with the singer and whatnot, and it's just a wonderful time. Then we have establishment design. Honestly, I really liked the kind of urban and modern feel, while also giving this sort of like an old style feel too. The interior of the building is just very eccentric, and it's a conversation piece whenever you walk in, and you'll remember the layout of the place just because of how unique it is. And not only is there graffiti and different sorts of arts, but there's like light woods and different old school LED light bulbs, and I'll put a few pictures up so you guys can see. And then we have seating options. As you could see in those photos, there was a lot of different kinds of places to sit. You could sit in front of the stage, you could sit in the billiards room, you could sit at the bar, you could sit in high chairs, or normal booths or floor tables. And yeah, it's just a nice kind of variety to have. Not a lot of restaurants have so many different places to choose to sit, but I'm glad that this one does, because there's a lot of different angles and ways to experience the restaurant. Then we have unique menu options. There are a lot of tasty treats and different dishes to have here, as well as drinks. I'll put a picture of the dinner menu here because this restaurant is open only at 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. It is more of a dinner place, so I'll try to see if I could get really good quality images for you guys here. hope you guys were able to get a good look at the menu and see the pricing and everything like that. You can see that there's a lot of unique options to try, and for a reasonable price too. And last but not least, we have different. As you can see, the menu is very unique. The building is very unique. Just all of the options here are much more different than a traditional restaurant that you would go to. If you looked at the menu, you could see that there is a thing called fruity coleslaw. I'm not a big fan of coleslaw, but I've never heard of that in my life before. And then they just have some fantastic twists on different traditional dishes. And yeah, it looks and was very exciting to go there. Now, how was the food and what did I have? Well, Bailiwick's was and is a fantastic restaurant off the Strip in Las Vegas, located at the Orleans Casino. Both times that I have been to this place, I ordered the exact same thing because it was just that good. The buffalo chicken sliders is what I've been ordering here, and they are just the cherry on top of this fully involved place. They add flavor to the flavor already brought by the live music and modern atmosphere. And on the side, for my refreshment, I've been drinking the Shirley Temple. It's a nice, sweet flavor to split the pungentness of the buffalo sauce. Also written here, I didn't mention the fries. When I went here, I ordered the fries on the side because you can get different things. Fries were fantastic as well, and I'm sure all of their sides are good too. Now, onto the munchie meter. Bailiwick Gastropub receives 5 munchies. And it receives 5 munchies because of a couple things. 1, food was fantastic. 2, the restaurant overall is very unique and a pleasant sight and experience for not only the eyes, but the mind and social experiences. And 3, it's just a place to remember. I have only been here twice, but I like to recommend this restaurant to anybody that I can when they go to Vegas. If I know they're staying at the Orleans, this is the place that I will recommend to them. And I highly recommend this place to you guys, obviously. And if you guys have been here, please let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you really like this video and you like my content in general, please make sure and consider to hit the subscribe button because it really helps out the channel. And make sure you turn on channel notifications to be notified every time I upload a new restaurant review. Live content is coming soon, so you're going to want to stick around to see that. And that's all, folks. Make sure you keep your plate full, but save room for dessert. I'm out. Peace!